Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to pin emails on Outlook. So let's get started. So if you want to pin your emails on Outlook, then what you have to do is first of all open up your Outlook. So to open up your Outlook, what you have to do is open up your browser, and after opening up your browser in search bar, you can search for Outlook login. And after searching for that, now what you can do is just simply tap on this first option, which is Outlook login Microsoft 365. And after tapping on that, now you have to log into your account. So in order to log into your account, what you have to do is just simply enter your email address and password. After entering your email address and password, you just have to confirm the owner of your account. So to confirm that, you will receive a 6-digit code in your email. So what you have to do is just simply paste that 6-digit code and you will successfully log into your account. So I have already logged into my account, so I don't have to do that because I have already logged in. But if you haven't logged in for a long time, then you might have to enter your email address and password and then confirm it with your verification code. And after opening up your Outlook, now what you can do is just simply tap on your profile. So here you will find your profile name in the left side of your screen. So just tap on it, and after tapping on that, now you'll find the following email address that you have received. So now if you want to pin a specific email, what you have to do is you just have to tap on the pin icon. So you just have to hover over the email that you want to pin. And after doing that, here you'll find these three options. So one is mail, another is flag, and the third one is pin. So what you can do is just simply tap on that option and that will pin your email in the top of your Outlook. So in this way you can pin any email that you want. So just tap on it and that will pin in the top of your Outlook. So that's it guys, this is how to pin email in Outlook. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.